Hello students. Today's topic is harmful microorganism. In the previous video, I would explain how microorganisms are our friends and which plays important roles in our life. But in this video, I would explain how microorganisms are our enemies. The chapter second, microorganism, friends and foes. So we all know how microorganism beneficial or life. Here we discussed microorganism are harmful in many ways. Some of microorganism causes different types diseases in humans, plants and animals. These diseases causing microorganisms are called pathogens and are commonly known as germs. But pathogens and germs are not similar. Germs are mostly microorganisms, but pathogens are micro and mini organisms or both. Mostly germs spoil food, clothing and even leather. Here we discussed some harmful activities of germs or microorganisms. Firstly, we discussed diseases causing microorganisms in humans. How many diseases causing microorganisms in humans? We know that mostly viruses contains pathogens which are infectious agent that causes diseases. Pathogens enter our bodies through the air we breathe, the water we drink and the food we eat. So that these diseases can be broadly classified into following three types. But only one type diseases causing by microorganism. First is communicable or infectious diseases. Second is non-communicable diseases. Third is genetic disorder. But first type disease, communicable disease or causes by microorganism. So here we discussed only communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. These diseases called communicable diseases. In the simple way, who's capable of being transmitted to another individual by direct or indirect contact is known as communicable or infectious diseases. As the name of infectious, so that these diseases transmitted direct or indirect contact simply. For example, common cold, chicken pox, tuberculosis, typhoid, hepatitis and many more. A most important diseases are corona. Corona is the most harmful diseases in our world, whose transmitted by viruses and directly contacted contaminated persons. So, we study how communicable diseases causes in infected persons to another. But whose pathway these diseases transmitted by? First, infection through air, infection through water, or infection through contaminated food. How infected airs transmitted these diseases? Bacteria, spores or fungi, and viruses enters our body through breathing and attack or windpipes, lungs. When we are sneezing, microbes are present in saliva and mucus. Then these wasted materials by droplet conditions transmitted germs in the air, and these air taken by other healthy person who was infected. In the first line, I was taught spores or fungi. In the first chapter, we talk what is spores. Spores are the fungi's gametes or reproductive organs. By spores, fungi are reproduced, so spores are most important parts of the fungi. Viruses and bacteria directly causes disease, but fungi like a plant, so fungi are infected by spores. Next is infection through water. Water is polluted by so many ways. For example, sewage. But sewage is the biggest problem to pollute water. Contaminated water. Contaminated water means infected water whose not pure, not applicable for drinking, bathing and washing the clothes, mostly drinking. Contaminated water is the cause of jaundice, dysentery, cholera, typhoid and other intestinal infection. Infected water causes internal diseases because water enter in the body transmitted in internal parts, so contaminated water causes internal diseases. some places unclean water or contaminated water is available for drinking, brushing teeth, washing the clothes, and for cooking purpose. Most harmfulness condition is the cooking purpose used water. In this system, diseases enters in respiratory system and intestinal portion. Some infections may take place through swimming pool water, mostly mosquitoes disease, because mosquitoes are good carriers for germs causing malaria, dengue, fever, etc. Malaria's pathogens called Plasmodium vivax, which are the transmitted by female Anopheles mosquito. Here we discussed Anopheles are the pathogens or carriers, but Plasmodiums are the germs whose causes diseases. So we all know what is the germs and pathogens. Discussed once again, Anopheles are the pathogens, but Plasmodiums are the germs. Anopheles are the Anopheles female mosquitoes which are carries malaria disease in human beings. The female Aedes mosquito acts as carrier for dengue viruses, which causes dengue in human beings, which is the dangerous fever condition in human beings. Next is the yellow fever, which is the causes by infectious contaminated waters. Next is the infection through contaminated food. Some of pathways is contaminated food, mostly fast foods or open conditions selling foods which are available in market, which are infected and contaminated and transmitted many types germal diseases in human beings. Many raw vegetables, mostly leaves like green vegetables, carriers of the germs in entered human beings, human bodies. So contaminated or infection carries through the food. Next is the prevention of communicable diseases. We already studied what is the communicable diseases. Here we discussed prevention of communicable diseases. We easily prevent in our life or other person's life of communicable diseases. Some simple methods of limiting the spreads of communicable diseases are: so keep the infection person separated from other, and to advise every person to keep a handkerchief on the nose or mouth while sneezing, because when an infected person sneezes or coughing public places, droplets with the germs are sprayed in the air, which are taken by other healthy persons and get infected. So, if a person to keep handkerchief on nose or mouth while sneezing, so we save or prevent to him communicable diseases. Next is when we should wash our hands properly before eating and touching the mouth and nose. We should preventing of communicable diseases. But how can we protect ourselves from spread of diseases like malaria, dengue, etc.? Some various methods are adopted. We prevent in these diseases. We stopped mosquitoes breeding. We save our home and other places. We should not allow water to collect anywhere in our neighborhood. We protect our environment, waste materials, and time to time vaccination against diseases should also be taken. In case of some diseases, tuberculosis, BCG vaccines is given to the patient in time to time. So, in these methods, we prevent to communicable diseases, him and related neighborhoods. Some methods, if we all adopt it, easily prevent of communicable diseases. Some common diseases of which caused by viruses. Most infectious diseases are common cold, which is highly contaminated or transmitted disease. Next is chikungunya. Chikungunya is the viral disease transmitted to humans by a bite of infected Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. Next is the common disease of protozoans, malaria and pyorrhea, whose teeth infected disease are the common disease of which causes by protozoans and carriers of mosquitoes. Next is how microbes harmful for plants. Some microbes are enemies of plants who causes many disease in plants whose infected her growths. Some common disease are in here. So this pictures some common disease of plants. First is the crown gall of cotton. In the cotton plants, these disease caused by bacterium. In these disease, in the cotton stems growing in hard outgrowth and infectious in growths. Next is the citrus canker. These diseases caused by bacterium in citrus plants. Then what is the citrus plants? Many sure fruits are like orange, lemons are the citrus plants. These diseases infected leaves, stem and fruits. These are most harmful disease of citrus plants. Next is the rice blast is caused by fungus. These are fungal disease. These infectious all parts of plants are paddy plants. Next is Panama wilt is fungal disease like affected bananas plant. These disease caused bananas leaves and stems whose control or limited the plant body. Very harmful disease of bananas plant. Next is the red rot of sugarcane is caused by fungus. We all see in the sugarcane red rot structure. These diseases totally sugarcane crops spoiled. So these microbes are enemies for plants or harmful for plants. Next is the diseases causing microorganisms in animals. We all study firstly diseases causing microorganisms in mans or human beings. Next is plants and last is the diseases causing microorganisms in animals. Several microorganisms are not only causes disease in humans and plants but also in other animals. The most common disease is anthrax is an infectious bacterial disease in the sheep and cattle. These diseases can be transmitted to humans through the meat, wool, hair and skin of the affected animals. Foot and mouth disease is a viral disease in sheep, cattle, goat and horse. It is the most important disease of these cattle. One common disease or bird flu is also a viral disease in poultry. Bird flu is transmitted animals to human beings by directed or indirected methods. So it is very harmful disease of animals and human beings. Here we stopped enemies of microorganisms, how play important role as enemies in living